guys. As you might have guessed, I'm at a bit of a dirty camera. I'm at a tennis club today. It's actually my local one, and I'm doing the job for free. Well, I say free in return for some publicity in my local area, because obviously people who go to tennis clubs might have patios, might have driveways. So the owner of the tennis club, or the guy that runs it, is gonna, sort of help me promote slightly. A few leaflets left in the clubhouse, that kind of thing. Nothing severe, and it's only a small patio, and I don't have anything booked today, so I thought I'd do it. And yeah, basically free of charge. I've also got to do potentially a price on those courts. They're pretty good anyway. They just might need a once over, so it's not going to be anything drastic if I do price them. But I may or may not film that if I do get the job, because they're not that dirty, so it's probably not even going to be that satisfying or clean. But yeah, I'm hiding in the van at the moment with my coffee, because they've got lessons on, and as you know, the equipment's like pretty loud. I don't want to disturb their lessons. So I think they do half-hour lessons, so I'm gonna hang around until this lesson's over, and if another lesson turns up, then I'm just gonna get cracking. But if not, then obviously I can do it without too much, disturbance for those guys. I think the patio is probably not going to take me longer than like an hour and a half, and a lot of that time will be sitting there waiting for the chemical, I think, because it's Indian sandstone, so we're going to hit it with 100 bar of pressure, nothing severe, low pressure cleaning on sandstone as always. Some of the grouting may come loose because they've got that brush-in compound that I hate so much, in places, not everywhere. Like, it seems like some of it's already come out, so yeah, but it's quite faded, so I think there'll be quite a nice transformation, which will be obviously good for the publicity. So yeah, and I just broke my camera mount as well, the tripod. So I'm gonna see if I could sort of make that work, but it looks like yeah, I'm gonna have to buy a new camera mount, which is annoying. But never mind, we'll get started. Yeah. really well. Really nice colours actually. Oh, just a worm. God. Come on, mate. Off the hypo. Can't pick him up. Trying to save you. Oh, God. There we go. Pop him in there. Good for the plants. So yeah, all finished. And rinsed down.